Welcome back to Think Thrice Problem Solving. Today we're going to be solving another problem from the American Mathematics Competition from 2022. This is the second problem, so it's still on the easier side. They'll get harder as we go through this progression. So the problem says that we have the sum of three numbers is 96. The first number is 6 times the third number. The third number is 40 less than the second number. What is the distance between the first and second numbers? Okay, if you'd like to give this a try, go ahead and pause the video. Otherwise, let's go ahead and jump into the solution. So let's look at these different statements we have. So the first statement says I have the sum of three numbers, so I'll name them A plus B plus C is equal to 96. Okay, so my second statement says that the first number, which I named A, is 6 times the third number, so 6C. And the third number is 40 less than the second number. So C is equal to B minus 40. So let's just go ahead and do some substitution here. So if I plug these in, I'll plug the third equation and the second equation into the first equation. I'm going to get A, which was 6C, plus B, which is C plus 40, plus C is equal to 96. I can combine my C terms, so I get 8C equals 96 minus 40. So 8C is equal to 56. That tells me that C is equal to 56 over 8, which is 7. Now I can go back to these other equations, so I can use this equation. If I know C is 7, then A is 6 times 7, which is 42. And if I know B is C plus 40, I know that B is 7 plus 40, which is 47. So our goal was to find the distance between the first and second numbers. So the magnitude of B minus C is then going to be the magnitude of 47, the first two numbers, so B minus A. So 47 minus 42, which then gives us 5. So our answer to this problem is 5. I know that one was a little bit simple, but they will progressively get harder. I appreciate you joining me today. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. If you'd like to see a video on something that you have, one of your own problems, please go ahead and submit it, and you might see that in a future video. And as you're working through problems on your own, think once, think twice, and when you get stuck, think thrice.